Can I prep food on my food truck in Colorado? So if you're in Colorado looking to start a food truck business, this is one question that comes up all the time on our Marketing Food Online YouTube channel. So I wanted to do a video to explain what you can and can't do specifically on a food truck as far as food prep is concerned in the state of Colorado. We're going to dive into that here on Food Truck Freaks, YouTube's premier food truck entrepreneur channel. We're going to dive into that right now. All right, guys, so welcome back to Food Truck Freaks. So let's dive right into this. So the food truck industry is a vibrant element of Colorado's gastronomy, thrives on the culinary creativity, convenience, and mobility. But one question often arises among the ambitious food truck entrepreneurs: can I prep food on my food truck in Colorado? Well, the answer, it turns out, isn't quite as straightforward as you might hope, unfortunately. It combines a unique blend of regulatory requirements, health codes, and even best practices. Colorado's food truck industry is overseen by the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment, the CDPHE. Now, it has a distinct set of requirements specifically for mobile food units, or MFUs as they're called, which include actually food trucks that entrepreneurs must adhere to in order to ensure public safety. So let's peel back the layers of these regulations and dive deeper into the specifics on food preparation in a food truck setting in the state of Colorado. So first off, regulations and codes. To begin, the food truck itself must be designed, constructed, and equipped to comply specifically with the Colorado Retail Food Establishment rules and regulations. This dictates everything from the materials actually used on the surfaces in a food truck that will be in contact with food, to the facilities for hand washing and dishwashing, to the correct temperature controls for even storage units. Onboard food preparation. Yes, you could prep food on a food truck in Colorado. Now, however, the food preparation area within the food truck must meet certain requirements. Surfaces that come in contact directly with the food must be smooth, durable, easily cleanable, and non-absorbent. The truck must also have a hand washing sink, a 3-compartment sink for dishwashing, adequate lighting, and of course, mechanical and natural ventilation. Now, as for food itself, you must ensure that it is obtained from approved sources, stored correctly, and cooked to the right temperatures, of course, as they always are. The same sanitation and hygiene rules that apply in traditional cooking in a kitchen apply to one in a food truck. Now, Colorado's commissary kitchens. Now, commissaries and commercial kitchens, while Colorado does allow for food prep on a food truck, the state also requires food trucks to operate in conjunction actually with commissary or a commercial kitchen. Now, this facility serves as the primary location for activities that are impractical and impossible to perform on the truck, such as washing of utensils or equipment, the disposal of waste, and the storage of excess food or supplies. Now, increasingly, Colorado's regulations, though, stipulate that food prep activities that produce grease-laden vapors, such as frying or grilling, cannot occur on the food truck unless the truck is equipped with a Type 1 hood and fire suppression system. Now, keep that in mind. Therefore, certain types of foods preparations may actually need to take place in a commissary kitchen. Now, health and safety. Now, the CDPHE conducts regular inspections, of course, as always, to ensure all regulations are being met and that food service from MFUs is safe for public consumption. Now, food safety practices, now including proper handling of food, temperature control, hygiene, are all factors that will be addressed during these types of inspections. So it is vital for any food truck operator to understand the following. These regulations are super crucial. Failure to do so can result actually in fines or even suspension of your retail food license, which would prevent you from operating your food truck anywhere in the state of Colorado. So in closing, the question, yes, can I prep a food truck on my food truck in Colorado, carries with it an array of considerations, but yes, you can. While you certainly can prep food in your food truck, it is essential to meet Colorado's regulations to ensure safety and your customers for longevity of your food truck business. Now remember, food trucks aren't just about the food, they're also about the experience. So the opportunity to prepare and serve food directly to your food truck can allow you to engage with your customers in a unique, personal way. So if that was really helpful, do let us know down below. If you've got questions about opening your food truck in Colorado, let us know. We're building out this channel, have a lot of great content we're building, but your questions and your inquiries help us build even more informative videos. Take a look at our other YouTube channels here for food entrepreneurs on YouTube, and I'll see you on our next video.